If you've ever wanted to look like RoboCop, then this is the video for you. In today's video, we're taking a look at the Goovis G3 Max. This thing promises a full-on cinema experience with dual OLED panels baked into it. It also supports 3D movies and has premium optics. It's basically an OLED theater strapped to your face. Disclaimer! Goovis did send me this unit to review. However, they have zero control over what I can say in the video. They also haven't seen this before you, and everything you hear is my honest and unbiased opinion. So let's get into this. What actually is the Goovis G3 Max? This is not VR, it's not AR, there's not 6 DOF tracking, no pass-through, no controllers, no cameras. This is a HMD or a head-mounted display. On a normal XR viewing experience, if you moved your head, then it would stay in place. But with a HMD, it follows depending wherever you look. Think of this as a giant 1,000-inch screen floating in front of you, wherever you go. It's designed for movies and streaming, 3D Blu-rays, handhelds like iPhones and iPads, as well as console gaming, travel and bedroom setups, and a private media experience. So to clarify, it's not for VR gaming or spatial computing or mixed reality. It is pure immersive media. So let's talk about the specs. This thing really packs a punch. It's 5K OLED, that's 2560 by 1440p per eye, 65 degrees FOV, 120 Hz at 1080p, 3528 PPI with a 46 PPD. It offers under 2% distortion, a high rated color gamut, DCI-P3, 95%, sRGB 120%, and contrast of up to 100,000 to 1. So to translate all of that, it looks amazing. It's sharp, bright, deep blacks, vivid colors, and no edge blur when dialed in. Like seriously, the panel's clarity surprised me. I watched all of the Avatar films in 3D Blu-ray, and the color, clarity, and depth was unreal. It felt like a proper cinema style screen strapped to your face. We also tested some gaming. I plugged it into my PS5, and the 120 Hz mode looks super smooth. Again, not VR gaming, but a portable screen that you can plug your Switch or your PS5 or whatever you want into. Another thing this headset does well is light blocking. It has 2 flaps right here and a rubberized system for the face gasket, and it blocks out light really well, just allowing you to get fully immersed and isolating away from the outside world. On the inside, the headset runs its own Goovis 3D chipset, so it handles daily processing on board rather than purely relying on connected devices. You also get a physical brightness and audio buttons, as well as a 2D to 3D button, which is always appreciated, so you're not just digging around menus. It's easy just to quickly tap and control what you want. Now, one of my favorite features about this device, especially because I'm a glasses wearer, individual diopters for each eye -2D to -7D. You control this via the 2 dials on either side. It also has built-in IPD adjustment, 56mm to 72mm, which you can control under the device via these switches. Now, a device running these type of specs get really hot, so it has a great anti-fog heat dissipation system on the front, which is great for controlling the fog, but you can clearly hear it when using the device. Which can get kind of annoying in quiet rooms or longer sessions. Another issue I had with this device is its built-in speakers. To be honest with you, they are not the greatest. Like, they work, they're fine, but for the price, I was definitely expecting better. Current consumer headsets out of the water. Now, these aren't just your usual leaks. They're not Puffin, Phoenix. They almost sound too tinny. The solution I found was to use headphones. This device has a 3.5mm headphone jack built in, as well as Bluetooth. So once you plug those in, the fan noises and the speaker quality gets way better. Now with HMDs, comfort is a main priority, and this device excels when it comes to comfort. It has a weight of around 300 grams, a flip-up visor, and a detachable head strap. So in terms of weight balance, it just feels great. I never experienced pressure spots on my head, especially after those long sessions. Now, of course, the visor flips up a full 90 degrees, which makes it super handy when you want to just leave the experience. For example, I put the remote down somewhere and had no idea where I put it. So just flipping it up, grabbing it, and then putting it back down made the world of difference. The fact that this thing is versatile and really light makes it easy to use when you're laying in bed or sitting on the sofa, or if you're taking it out traveling, it's super portable and and light. I can definitely see myself using this device on a plane. So let's talk about the connectivity. Now this thing does a really good job at making it available for more devices. It has a HDMI input, USB-C input, and it works with phones, iPads, laptops, PS5, Switch, Steam Decks, Blu-ray devices, Blu-ray players, drones, and much more. I'm glad because I was running out of fingers. Now the version I got actually bundled with a portable Android streaming puck. It basically runs Android TV and tethers via USB-C, and this thing is awesome. It's truly a portable cinema. Just installing apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, it's just so convenient when you're on the go. Okay, right now I am using the phone tethering via USB-C to USB-C to this headset, okay? Sorry if I'm holding it a little bit strange. It's very weird to control the camera like this while I'm wearing the headset. But I can fully see the camera right now. And if I was to close the camera application, I can still see whatever is being previewed on this device. So even if I wanted to put Netflix on or Disney and I just wanted to plug this straight into my phone and use this as a display, totally possible, which is such a good use case scenario for this. Mega thumbs up for this feature. So inside the box itself, you get the G3 Max headset, a head strap plus the face cushion, USB-C to USB-C, HDMI cable, HDMI to dual USB-C converter, and its manuals. And if you get the bundle for an extra $100, you get the Android TV puck, the battery, and the remote. Basically everything you need to just start using it outside of the box. Who is the Goovis G3 Max for? If you're looking for a private cinema experience with 3D movie support and OLED clarity in a wearable, and you're looking for a giant screen that you can use in bed or when you're on the plane, then this headset is for you. This headset isn't for you if you're looking for a VR, XR, or spatial computing experience. So this is considered just a personal media device. This is exactly how we call it, a head-mounted display. Now the price is $1,099, or if you want the bundled version that I got, it's $1,199. So this is a premium product at a premium price. Definitely more on the expensive side, especially when you see things like the Quest 3 available for around the $500. But again, this definitely has its own advantages with the OLED screens and the higher color gamuts and a lot more going for it spec-wise. So my final thoughts, this product is not perfect, with the speaker and fan noises being my main points of contention for this device, and the fact that it's not cheap. However, the image quality, comfort, portability, and the ability to switch between 3D, impressive. It does exactly what it claims to do. And it does a lot that a lot of headsets at a lot higher prices aren't even able to do. So if you're looking for more cheaper VR experiences, I recommend checking out the description for other links. But if you're looking for the ultimate private cinema experience with high-end quality, you're going to want to get the Goovis G3 Max, which is also in the description. Please consider subscribing and liking if you enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on this device in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a fantastic day and peace.